Jim Cramer answers your Twitter questions from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Jim, we're going to start with an interesting one, a tech one. What do you most recommend buying before earnings? Netflix, Apple, Amazon, or Google?
Jeez. Actually, those I probably do Google. The expectations are the lowest. It's selling at 14 times 2017 earnings. They got a new CFO, Ruth Porado, I know from Morgan Stanley's terrific. Very good piece in USA Today about it. So I'm going to go with Google because the expectations are so darn low.
What do you think about Alibaba these days? It is once again below $80.
Okay, my problem with Alibaba, and I always recommend buying Alibaba through Yahoo, is that I do believe that the consumer is being hurt in China from the market crash. I know that Phil LeBeau, who does great work for CNBC, is saying that the auto sales are weak. Alibaba, in the end, is a consumer company, and I have to believe that they're going to miss a quarter. That said, it's not as expensive as it used to be. Buy Yahoo.
And Jim, what about defense stocks? Stocks like Lockheed, Raytheon, and Northrop, time to buy any?
I happen to like them very much, particularly on the eve of what I think will be an Iran deal. I think the one will be reached, and I think Northrop Grumman is the cheapest of those.
Thoughts on Grubhub? Lockups are done, it's sold off. Do you get it now?
Geez, I don't know. This area has gotten so crowded. I mean, we have had so many different companies on Mad Money that seem to be in the exact same business. Grubhub was first mover, but the first mover advantage may not be as great as we thought here.
And Jim, what about Ambarella? Is it a good buying opportunity now? A new GoPro camera coming out over the weekend.
Right, the GoPro I think is going to be very good. It's gotten very good reviews, and I think Ambarella is a drone play for 2016. Drones are going to be, it's not cheap. I've liked it. I got, people say, well, Jim, you didn't like it at 30 or 40. I mean, I've been a backer of Ambarella here. I think it's a very good semiconductor company. Also good to see Avago and Skyworks start doing a little bit better. That's off of maybe things in China aren't so bad, and NXPI and Qorvo. So Ambarella does trade with those along with ARM Holdings, and the group's looking good.
Jim Cramer, as always, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Remember, send your Twitter questions to Jim at #CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.